Hey guys, I'm on day 22 of my 90-day content challenge for YouTube. Watch the video to see how things are going. Hey guys, so here's a quick update of how my challenge has been going. I'm now at day 22. So that's 22 videos every day I've been uploading. And I've got to say, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference at the moment. I am going to quickly go into the statistics and show you what's going on, what's been happening. But as you can see here, this is my channel. I started this, 22 days ago. If you look at my subscribers, I've gained a few subscribers. I'm at 84 subscribers at the minute. I'm not sure what I was on the last one. I think I may have only gained 1 or possibly 2 subscribers, so that's not very good. The view count is obviously going up, but when you look at the videos, this one was just uploaded an hour ago, 1 view. This one yesterday, 3 views. The day before, 3 views. The day before that, 2 views. This one, 3 views, 4 views, 5 views. As we get further back into like day 8, you can see the views are slowly a little bit better. But then here again, we'll go back down, 1 view, 3 views, 14 views, 6 views, 5 views. It's quite soul destroying actually. I wasn't really expecting too much at the moment. But let me quickly jump into the analytics and show you. This makes me feel a little bit more positive, because if you look at the last 28 days, I'm not sure if I can do that for the last 22 days. Let's have a look. Can you do that? Yes, you can. Custom range. So we'll go from today, which is the 14th. So we'll go the 13th because it won't do today. Back to, let's say, April the 30th. Is that? Oh no, that's 14 days. 23rd. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 days. So that this is over the last 21 days. I don't think there'll be any data for today yet. So, right, so you can see my watch time, 642 minutes, which is 10 hours. It's actually up 6.93% compared to the previous period. So it is slowly going up. Average view duration, that's gone down a little bit to down 7.64%. Views have obviously gone up. They're nearly up 16% in the last 21 days. So I suppose that's a positive. Likes down, dislikes. Oh, I didn't even know that I had a dislike. Comments are down. So yeah, that's the analytics. There's not really a whole lot to go on at the minute. Like I say, I'm only 22 days into this. On the psychological side, this is where I'm struggling more. So it's really, when you hear people say this is a difficult challenge, it's I don't find it difficult creating a video, so pressing record and the technical side of it, just sitting in front of my laptop and doing it and creating thumbnails and uploading, it's all time consuming, but I can probably rattle one out in about an hour. That part doesn't bother me. I don't mind doing that. Where I am struggling is coming up with content. It's so difficult to just keep coming up with content every single day, and I'm finding myself, I'll have a day where I'm really full of ideas, and I'll write some of these ideas down, and I'll go through and I'll record 2 or 3 videos, and I kind of sit back a little bit and think, right, I've got my 2 or 3 videos. I don't need to worry about it for 3 days, which is good to get into that. I still haven't get myself into a position where I can maybe have 7 videos recorded and done and just ready to go as the days progress. It's it is difficult to keep thinking up content. I'm lucky with this video. That's a little trick that I've decided to do, is every 10 days is to do this video, which means I kind of only need to find 9 videos in between each 10 days. But it is a struggle, I've got to say it is a struggle to come up with something. And now I'm approaching a weekend, and I find the weekends even more difficult because my partner is off work over the weekends and she wants to spend time with the family, so I tend not to record any videos over the weekend, but I do have to keep uploading them on the Saturday and Sunday. So the only way I can do that is try and back up my videos on Thursday or Friday so that I've got videos to get me through till Monday. And it's like I say, it's coming up with the content and working out exactly what I want to say. Being new to YouTube and never having done this before, this is what I'm struggling with. Just communicating with you guys and actually talking sense and making it engaging enough that you want to actually stay and listen to me. And that's what I'm learning, and I'm getting better. But on the mindset side of things, again, I am getting to that point where I kind of know that this isn't working at the minute, but I'm determined to just keep pushing through. And I can't even think to the end of the 90 days that when I get there, it's not going to have worked, because I'll stop now if I think like that. So I have to believe that in 90 days time, I should have seen a really good improvement. And if I stop believing that, then I'm just going to fail at this challenge and fail at YouTube, I would guess. So I've really concentrating and pushing myself to change my mindset and just get through these 90 days. And at that point, I'll be able to reassess everything. Either the channel will have grown a little bit and I'll revert back to doing 1 or 2 videos per week and trying to keep sustainable growth like that. I'll give up, which I really don't want to do, or I'll just carry on trying daily uploads. But like I say, I'm going to wait until the 90 days before I assess that and work out what I'm going to do. And just hopefully things will pan out. I've said it before that I don't think I'm any different to most new YouTubers. It's a struggle at the start. I'm sure some do really well, but there are people out there that have done this for years, and you look back and they're still only getting a couple of 100 views on the videos. And that must be really hard, but they keep going, and eventually they get to that 1,000 subscribers and they get their 4,000 hours in and they'll be making money. And I guess once you get to that point and you start making the money, then you're really driven. Then you can see there's light at the end of the tunnel. Once you're making $30 a month from YouTube ads, you might think, hang on, this works, and push and push and push and keep building. It is this first year that's really difficult, and the first few months particularly. When I started this 2-3 months ago, I just couldn't see where my videos were going to come from. But here I am now, 20 days in, and the channel's starting to look a little bit like a channel. And it's slowly, very, very slowly growing. Anyway, that's it for today's update. I'm sorry it wasn't a little bit more positive for all you people who are starting your own channel. I think 20 days uploads is probably not enough to get results. I'm kind of thinking day 60, day 70 is when I might see some kind of results. That's when I've heard that YouTube start to notice you a little bit more and start actually putting your videos in front of people. And once that happens, the ball starts rolling. So we'll keep going, we'll see how we do, and we'll do another one of these videos in 10 days time and see if there's any difference then. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.